Namaste, this is Dietitian Purva Singh and welcome to Yes to Health. Today we'll talk about 6 food every house should have. The first in my list is basil. Basil, not only from the religious point of view but from the medicinal point of view, the basil has an unparalleled place. The odor of basil purifies the entire atmosphere. Basil, which is also called tulsi in Hindi, are of two types, Rama Tulsi and Shama Tulsi, which has slightly darker leaves. Shama Tulsi is considered little better in quality. If you have 5 basil leaves every day, it will purify your blood, it will improve your memory, it will give you mental strength. Basil juice taken on an empty stomach accelerate brightness in you, strength, and your memory. The second in my list is Amla. Amla is a fruit and medicine both. It has a lot of importance in Ayurveda. Ayurveda has a stringent property because of that. It pacifies Vata and Kapha dosha, and because of sweetness and coolness to it, it will pacify Pitta, thus balancing all the 3 doshas. It has vitamin C in abundance. It rejuvenates old people and gives youthfulness to young. It will make you disease resistant. It will purify your blood. It will give you strength and good memory. Amla is very good for your nerves. It is good if you have heart palpitation, if you have obesity problem, if you have this restlessness in you. So it will cure all these problems. It is very good for if you have a BP problem, if you have ringworms, even there's so many diseases, it can cure. And the best thing about Amla is even after heating Amla, its vitamin C is not destroyed. So you can have Amla in chutney, you can have Amla in murabba or pickles in any way, or in the form of powder. So just use Amla and enjoy your health. Third on my list is Triphala. Triphala is 1 part earth, 2 part bahira and 4 part Amla. Triphala is very good if you have constipation. It is very good if you have insomnia. It will help you get good sleep. Triphala is good if you have irregular bowel movement, if you have increases your appetite. Have Triphala in the morning with warm water. It will purify your system, it will detox your system completely, and it will make you feel fresh, energetic whole day. Fourth in my list is neem. Right from its root to its stem, leaves, flower, fruits, all parts are of medicinal value, and its bitterness is its greatest quality. If you take 5 neem leaves every day, it will keep you disease free, it will purify your blood, and most importantly, all parts of medicinal value. Neem leaves is antibacterial, we all know, and if you eat 5 leaves of neem every day, it will keep you disease free. It will cure, it will keep you disease free, it will help you get rid of all the infectious diseases, and it will keep your blood, it will purify your. Fifth in my list is coconut. Coconut is food and medicine both. It is considered very auspicious in Hindu culture. It has vitamins like vitamin A, B and C, and minerals like iron, phosphorus, calcium. It has very high quality alkaline oil, which is useful in the weight loss, and it is very useful if you are struggling with a cholesterol problem. it has high quality protein. It's the carbohydrate also is very good for growth. Next in my list is honey. Honey is like nectar for human beings. It is pre-digested food and it will provide you instant energy. It has minerals like iron, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, iodine, and copper. It has vitamins like vitamin A, B, and C. It is good for if you're in the weight loss regime. You can use honey and lemon and just mix it with water and you can have it first thing in the morning. It is very good for the weight loss. Honey can be used, can be eaten, can be applied on the skin. Also, it provides a good moisturizer to your skin. And honey will provide you strength, vitality, and it is expectorant also. It be digestible. It will help you, it increases red blood cells in your body. And cooling, it is easily digestible and it increases red blood cells in our body, and you don't feel bloated, gassy after having coconut. And it has got so many qualities. So use coconut every day in any form, like coconut milk, coconut powder, coconut water, whichever way you want to use, but consume it every day.